Remove two bolts of the headlight panel assembly from the battery box with a 10 mm T-handle. Remove the headlight bulb. Remember, never touch the headlight bulb glass with your hand. Now replace the headlight bulb. Install the headlight bulb by matching its notch with its position. For the replacement of turn indicator bulb, remove its bulb holder by turning it in anti-clockwise direction. Install the upper cover by aligning the lug of the headlight assembly to the upper cover. Slide the upper cover upwards to hook the lug. Finally, tighten two screws of the upper cover to the leg shield. Lift the seat by opening the seat lock. Then remove the rear side cover left-hand side by sliding it in forward direction to remove it from the hook. Remove 4 screws of the rear side cover right-hand side. Remove the rear side cover right-hand side by sliding it in forward direction to remove it from the hook. Remove 4 screws of tail light lens. Install the rear side cover right-hand side by sliding it in backward direction while locating in the lug. Insert the locating pin in the rear side cover right-hand side at the tail side. Tighten 4 screws of the rear side cover right-hand side. Insert the locating pin in the rear side cover left-hand side at the tail side. Install the tail cover by aligning its projections. Install the seat lock cover. Side view mirror, right hand side. Loosen the lock nut of the rear side view mirror, right hand side with a 14 mm open end spanner. Remove the rear side view mirror, right hand side by turning